Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X, and once again showing you our newest approved use stock. Today's returned as practical family carrier in the form of this Volkswagen California Ocean. It's powered here by a 2-litre engine, putting out 204 PS of peak power, as well as full motion all-wheel drive for extra grip, and finish in deep black parlour. Make sure to check out the description below, as this model is packed full of factory-fitted extras. In the front, you enjoy the convenience of LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as front and rear fog lights when visibility drops. Around the side, the stylish alloy wheels in chrome will stand out beautifully against that deep black pearlescent paintwork, and in the rear, the story is no different with signature-shaped LED tail lights. The load area, once open, reveals a practical cabin as well, with a cavernous load area. There's also your mattress for sleeping, with loads of cubby storage to bring along with you, and a hidden compartment underneath for any suitcases and other items. A quick glimpse in the front is no different, with a stylish cabin offering two-tone cloth upholstery as well as upgraded front seats for added comfort. Sliding door in the rear will reveal a lovely area which features various conveniences such as a sink, as well as 2 gas ring hobs and even a fridge to cool down your items, and there's plenty of practical cubbyholes to make full use. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel which operates the full digital cockpit dashboard up ahead. There's a road sign recognition camera on offer, as well as a host of assists such as adaptive cruise control. Sat-nav guidance can be displayed directly ahead of you, and choose from 3 customizable screens to find your favorite one. Additionally, audio, music and Bluetooth can be operated at your fingertips, and ParkAssist semi-autonomous functionality will certainly come in handy. In the center, the upgraded Discover Nav Pro 9.2-inch system is also incredibly easy to use and features the assist I mentioned earlier that can be operated from the center screen. For all your music needs, there's FM and DAB digital radio with easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony as well. Built-in sat-nav can be brought back to the center screen if you prefer it there as well, and the fully adjustable speaker sound system will certainly appeal to many of you. Other great features incorporate the convenience of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection, with numerous other vehicle settings on offer to help you personalize it. Helping you park is a rear view camera with guidelines complemented by front and rear sensors, and down below you enjoy easy-to-use 2-zone climate control with heated front seats to keep you warm and cozy during the winter months. This has been a presentation of the approved use Volkswagen California Ocean that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.